welcome back to our second last Thursday with Alex. This is the last week I'm going to do a video of a topic, and the next week is the goodbye videos. Can't believe it's already the end of the school year. Feels quite weird this year, but I'm sure we're all looking forward to not having homework to do during the day. So this week I'm going to talk about how to paint rock mandalas. My friend and I spent yesterday afternoon doing this activity, and it was lots of fun, and there's so many different things you can do if you look them up online. But I created a tutorial on how you can pretty much do these for free if you have acrylic paint. Otherwise, acrylic paint's really cheap at the dollar store. But this is pretty much just finding things around your house and outside, and it's a really, really fun activity. Highly recommend all of you do it.
Begin by assembling your materials. First, you'll need rocks that are circular and flat, acrylic paint, a piece of blank paper to practice as well as create a placemat, pencils, glue stick, Q-tips, or any round and flat surface you find around your house, a ruler, and scissors. With your Q-tips, you can cut them in half to make really small circles, as well as paint white paint around the fluffy part to lock and seal it so when you paint it, it doesn't fray. Other flat materials I found around my house was a glue stick, lip chap, a pencil eraser, as well as the tip of a pencil. Begin painting. You can just use your finger and black paint and coat the entire surface of the rock. While the paint is drying, you can draw a circle and split it into 8 equal sections. Then you can begin testing your materials by dipping the flat surfaces into the paint, which I found if you just use the paint inside the paint caps, you're able to do that, or you can find a plate or some sort of device to dip the paint into. To get the center, I used the glue cap, and then I was using the pencil eraser. So once you have paint evenly spread onto your flat surface, you can begin creating your circles. To do this, you want to put a dot on each of the 8 lines, and then fill in between the 2 dots with as many dots as you can fit, and then these will make nice circles around your center. Once you feel that your dots are becoming more clean, you can then draw the same shape onto your rock and begin forming your pattern for your mandala. Some things you might want to consider in your pattern is what will your center look like, what colors are you going to use, or you can create patterns of different diameters of your dots. There are some pattern practice that you can do before, or you can just try it right on your rock. As you continue your pattern, you will complete your entire surface, and then voila, there's your rock mandala. Here are a few examples of the finished rocks that I created and then put into my garden. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create rock mandalas using things around your household. You can also Google this and YouTube and watch more videos on how to do this if you want to get fancier or you want some more information. There's so many great creations. I recommend you Googling rock mandalas and you'll see so many things for inspiration. Otherwise, I really hope you enjoyed this and you try it out this week, and I will see you next week for our final week and answering some of those final questions. Bye for now!